Taylor had always been fascinated by dreams. Ever since she was a little girl, she had been plagued by vivid, sometimes frightening dreams that left her feeling both exhilarated and uneasy. As she grew older, Taylor began to wonder, why do we dream? What purpose do these strange and surreal experiences serve? So, she began to research the topic in earnest. She scoured scientific journals, pored over books and articles, and even interviewed psychologists and neuroscientists. What she discovered was a complex and fascinating field, full of competing theories and groundbreaking research. One of the earliest theories about dreaming, Taylor learned, was that it served as a kind of safety valve for the brain. According to this view, dreams were a way for the brain to discharge pent-up emotions and desires that might otherwise overwhelm us in waking life. Taylor found this idea intriguing, but it didn't quite explain the full range of her own dream experiences. Another theory that Taylor came across suggested that dreaming was a way for the brain to process and consolidate memories. During sleep, the brain would replay and integrate information from the day, helping to solidify learning and information retention. This idea made sense to Taylor, but she wondered, why do some dreams seem so disjointed and nonsensical if they're really just a replay of our memories? As Taylor delved deeper into the research, she discovered a new theory that had been gaining traction in recent years. This theory suggested that dreams were a way for the brain to simulate and prepare for future events. In other words, our dreams might be a kind of virtual reality training ground where we could practice coping with difficult or challenging situations before they actually happened. Taylor was fascinated by this idea. It seemed to explain not only the surreal and often nonsensical nature of dreams, but also their powerful emotional impact. If dreams were really simulations of real-world events, then it made sense that they would be emotionally charged and that they might even help us to regulate our emotions in waking life. Armed with this new understanding, Taylor began to explore her own dreams more deeply. She started keeping a dream journal, writing down every detail she could remember as soon as she woke up. She also began to experiment with lucid dreaming, a practice where one becomes aware that they are dreaming and can consciously control the dream's narrative. As Taylor delved deeper into her own dream world, she found that her dreams began to change. They became less frightening and more empowering, full of opportunities to practice skills like problem solving and emotional regulation. Taylor felt like she was uncovering a secret world within her own mind, a world full of hidden possibilities and untapped potential. In the end, Taylor's journey of discovery led her to a new appreciation of the power of dreams. She came to see them not as random, meaningless experiences, but as a crucial part of the human experience. Whether they serve to process memories, regulate emotions, or prepare us for the future, dreams offer us a window into the workings of our own minds and a chance to explore the vast potential of the human brain.